Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign out in all devices in Yahoo Mail app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app from your MacBook or laptop. So once you tap it on, you need to go in profile section and tap on account information, which will end up in opening a external web browser for your surfing. So once you have opened a external web browser, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply scroll down below and tap on view connected devices. Once you tap on view connected devices, you can see that there are two devices currently that has your login information. So to get logged out from all these devices, all you need to do is simply tap on the details section and tap on the sign out option. So once you tap on the sign out option, you will get signed out from the device that you had been logged into. So in this way, you can simply sign out from all devices in Yahoo Mail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.